Here is an update from Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton.
On review of the epidemiological data, we can confirm that Jamaica is currently experiencing the fifth wave of COVID-19. This is based on the review of the epidemiological curves for confirmed COVID-19 cases and reproductive rates.
The minister was giving an update during a virtual press briefing on Wednesday.
This fifth wave is likely due to the Omicron subvariant BA.2, given the increasing proportion of this subvariant in the population and its higher transmissibility. In the last 24 hours, we have confirmed 147 new cases, bringing our total cases on record to 133,250. Regrettably, we also recorded 2 deaths that occurred in February and April 2021, respectively. The total deaths from COVID-19 now stands at 3,013.